Hello, this is Datsun 77 280Z. I purchased it back in 2004, I believe, and I had it since then. It was originally from my friend who lives in Texas. Brought it to New York, kept it there, got shipped to Germany, took it with him, and took it back. And I bought it off of him back in 2004 or 2003, give or take. He's got all the original documentation since the original purchase of the car. What he has done to it was the engine was rebuilt for turbo, and that project never got to finish. But the engine is built for turbo. It's got low compression, forged pistons. It's got a 6-buck clutch, but it was too harsh, so I replaced it and put a single stage ACT, and now it's very easy to drive. It's got an external oil cooler, auxiliary fan that kicks in when the AC turns on. It's got the cold air intake. Radiator's been replaced once. It's also, this is a L28 with same bell housing, but the gearbox is from the 95 240 CX. So we upgraded it from 4-speed to 5-speed with a single throw, short throw, shifter. I got the boost gauge hooked up to it. I removed it from where the clock is mounted. It's got the alarm system, automatic door lock. What else? AC, like I mentioned, is fully functional. It works. I replaced the clutch for the fan. New spark plug wires, spark plugs, just to prevent maintenance. And the firewall, like you can see, it's still in a pretty good condition. And I will post the video as well from the bottom of this car. When I came here to Texas, I noticed some of them are, the undercarriage was a little bit rough, so I got that one adjusted, got the sheet metal off and cut it out, put a new one in, and then treated the rust treatment so it doesn't grow. And then the bottom of it also replaced those beams. It's been cut out and installed. I reinstalled a new one. What else? Like you can see, my objective here is to actually keep the car in stock, pretty decent stock interior, and I'd like to keep it that way, so that way we can appreciate the value of this car. This got pushed in, but that can be pushed back. They're all functional. AC works. I have the radio in digital. It used to be analog, and it stopped working, so I put this, and I try to pick something that is closer to the analog style with 2 knobs, but it's also digital. And I hooked it up with my old CD changer, which is mounted over here, which also fully functional. As you can see on the previous video, I played that holds 10 CDs. And this is the boost gauge and the stock fuel and voltage gauge, temperature and oil. And ever since we replaced the gearbox, I no longer have a speedometer linked to it, so the odometer stopped working. I'm gonna have to say approximately I put about 5,000 miles on this bad boy since we changed the engine, and so approximately car has like 55,000 miles, maybe less, and maybe less than 5,000 miles after the engine was rebuilt. We hardly ever use this car. And that's it. If you got any questions, feel free to comments below. And here's the interior. That's for the electronic door that I installed, so you don't have to open the door with the key. Comes with the alarm. See? There you go. Turn it up. Comes up. Alright folks, if you have any questions, link in comments below. Thanks for watching.